Okay, we're starting off the Stamford trip with a real exciting elevator. Real exciting.
This is Fletch's second favorite elevator in Stamford.
I dedicate this to him then.
Oh, by the way, his favorite train just pulled by. Well,
You can still kind of see it
I don't know if
leaving.
it's his favorite train, but that train has him as its favorite passenger.
Fair warning, this thing has a really bad door issue.
I guess I'll go first.
These are your beautiful Dover van resistant fixtures.
I'll watch the window. This is exciting.
It'd be a lot better if it was glass.
I guess, do we need to go back up?
Yes, send her back
Okay.
up.
Gonna try to watch this floor indicator.
If you look right up here, it says Thyssen Dover. Right up there.
I don't see it.
That white sticker right there.
Oh, here? Oh, I see it now. It was kind of peeling off. It looked like it said something else.
All the elevators here are Thyssen Dover.
That's pretty neat.
Installed by Easter.
I've actually never seen Thyssen Dover spelled out on any equipment. Anyway, that's it.